everyone, welcome to another SemRush tutorial video. Now before we get started with this video, you can get a 14-day free trial to try this on your own within SemRush with our link down below in the description. So check that out, and yeah, let's get started with tutorial. So how can you create or find local keywords for your small business? Now this will depend what your small business is about. Now, what you can do is you can go to SemRush and you can go to Keyword Magic Tool right here. Now, once you reach Keyword Magic Tool, you need to know what your niche is all about. You need to find a keyword that you want to put here, and based on that keyword, you can go and you can have your local keyword research. For example, California real estate. If you are in a business where you are in real estate, and let's say you are in California, that means that this is a local keyword research. We are searching just for California real estate, right? We're not searching for any other real estate. We can go here and click search, and based on this, we will get the keywords that we can use for our blog posts, for our YouTube channel, for pretty much anything. Even if you want to rank on YouTube or rank on Google, you will be able to use all of these keywords here. Now keep in mind, what I always do, I go here and I filter this by questions. And when I filter this by questions, I will get long tail keywords that I can rank for much more easily on. Now what I also do is I lower the amount of keyword difficulty. So as you can see right now, this is difficult. You will need a lot of referral domains and optimized content in order to rank for this particular keyword. So what we're looking for is we're looking for a lot of volume and not a lot of keyword difficulty. So let's click on keyword difficulty once, and let's click one more time, and we will get very easy keywords to rank on. Now as you can see, for this keyword, there is not a lot of volume, but still you can rank for this keyword very easily. So as you can see, how to do wholesale real estate in California. Now keep in mind, if you're using a free trial on SemRush, you will be able to use this fully. So you will be able to, as you can see right here, I'm not logged in. So once you log in, you will be able to use this fully, and you will be able to get more keywords with more volume. So what you're looking for again is more volume, less competition. So it needs to be around from 0 to 10 when it comes to the competition here. As you can see, this is very easy, this is easy, this is easy, right? But we're also looking just for very easy keyword difficulty and a lot of volume. That's what we're looking for. So this is in a nutshell how you can go and how you can do local keyword research for small businesses. Obviously, you can do a lot more. As you can see on the left side, we have keywords that are connected to these keywords, but we're always looking for that specific keyword. So yeah, just go and start with a specific keyword and then work from there. See which keywords are good, save keywords that are good in Google Docs file, and then reuse them later on once you're writing a blog or something like that. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you want, you can get a 14-day free trial, but with a link down below in the description for SemRush. And obviously check out our channel for more videos just like this. Thank you guys for watching.